Killing the shit.
Yeah, so the song I was trying to remake, but I honestly kind of failed.
One of us, man, then I'll definitely snap man into
So the drum MIDI is like, and then I put cymbals. I also added a crash. And then finally, these little tings, layered a glass recording on top of the snare. Let's talk about the synth and bass at the same time. I chose this preset called X Push. I changed the wavetable. I decided to turn up the voices as well. Turned up the voices on this one too. And I detuned a bit. So that gives it more of that like widening that I was trying to get from the original but failed at doing. Real quick, let me talk about the MIDI. As you can see, it goes G to B to back to G. But you can see these sliding notes didn't work here because they're fucking whack. They don't work like that. So you have to go here and automate this pitch bend. So you just pretty much move it a little bit and then go here and then create automation clip. That's this automation clip, and that's what's causing the pitch to go up and down. And yeah, that's what the fuck is going on there. There is some effects on it. Let's talk about the routing first. I'm routing both the bass and lead to this synth channel. The lead has my trap synthesizer. So this is what it sounds like without any effects. I EQ'd some of that high end and low end out, and then I EQ'd some of the low mids out. It doesn't really matter right now what it sounds like coming out of here, because then I'm layering it with this bass that is completely changing the sound. So let's get into that real quick. It's a sample, and it's called Subthick. To use a sample, you drag it into the step sequencer. Then you want to turn on the crossfades so the notes don't overlap. And then you choose your root note. So you look at the sample. Usually that information is in the sample name. So right here you can see G sharp. So you go to this little shit and click on G sharp. It will be in tune and you can use it. So the sounds are kind of blending together. The way that that's happening, like I said, I'm channeling both the bass and the lead by clicking on the channel and then going here and then route to this track only, right? Without any effects, the sounds are separate. The first effect is just distortion, and it's isotope trash, the tube drainer distortion. Starts blending it. And then now with this limiter, and that's what the fuck is happening there. Finally, I added this little wub thing. It's just weird, you know, it's not like the coolest sound ever. Final thing for the bass fills for my pack. And I chose this one, which is kind of just a crazy thing. And then I chose this other one, which is kind of like this weird glitch. I just pitched it down. Yeah. Now, finally, the last layer is this chant vocal from the pack, and it's just kind of like this weird thing. I just put the volume down a little bit and see how there's like a slight difference when the cymbal's not playing? Oh, shit. I don't think I'm fucking sidechaining anything, dude. This whole time, this whole thing. So it sounds cool, even though it's not sidechained. I'm not even gonna lie, but let's make that sidechain channel really quick.